you have account on Telegram and you really want to add another account as well. You want to have both of the accounts, but you don't know how to. You're trying to figure out, but you don't know how to. Then you have come to a right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add another account on Telegram. And without any further delay, let's dive right in. First thing first, you have to tap into the app itself. Let's tap. So here, you can see so many options, right? So all you gotta do is keep your eye on the setting button. Let's tap in the setting button that is on the right bottom corner. So let's tap here, and you can see here at the very right top corner again, you can see edit option. Let's tap in there. And here you can edit your profile, anything like that. So at the very bottom, you can see, not at the very bottom, right above the logout option, you can see add another account. Here is what you need to do. You need to tap in that button right here, and it will lead you to this. Now you have to add in all your phone numbers and stuff like that. And here you gotta add your contact number, your location. You know what to do after this. And this is how you add another account on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I really appreciate it. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.